8 point di of FFT. So in the previous class, first we have seen 4 point dit FFT, next 4 point di of FFT, next 8 point dit FFT, now 8 point di of FFT. That is discrete in time fast Fourier transform and discrete in frequency fast Fourier transform. So di of FFT is exactly opposite of dit FFT. I have told you in the previous class. This di of, that is discrete in frequency fast Fourier transform, is exactly opposite procedure of decimation in time. That is dit FFT. Now 8 point di of FFT. 8 point means signal length is 8. That is capital N is equal to 8. That is x of n is equal to x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6 and x of 7. Totally 8 values. Okay, first value, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. So as it is di of, okay, first step in dit is dividing even and odd terms, but in di of we'll take directly as a series is there. Okay, so directly we'll write x of n. Okay, so directly we'll write this series x of 0 to x of 7. So x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6, x of 7. Totally 8 values. So now, what is the first step in 8 point dit FFT? What is the first step? Taking second value to the first value to the second value. Second step, taking third value to the first value to the third value. And third stage, taking fifth value to the first value to the fifth value. So as it is di of, exactly opposite procedure. Okay. Now we have done this. Okay. Now what is the first stage?
First to fifth.
Taking first value to the fifth value to the first value by negating fifth value. Okay, similarly 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so first I will mark the first stage. Okay, so stage 1. This is stage 1. So first value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is fifth value. Okay, taking fifth value to the first value. Okay, and first value to the fifth value by negating fifth, by negating fifth. Okay, second, taking second value to the sixth value to the second value by negating sixth value. So second value, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. By negating sixth, right? And then we come to third and seventh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. By negating 7th. And finally 4 to 8, 8 to 4. So this is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4. Okay, by negating 8. Okay, so first stage is taking first value to the fifth value to the first value by negating fifth. Next, 6 to second to 6 by negating sixth. 7 to 3, 3 to 7 by negating 7, 8 to 4, 4 to 8 by negating 8. This is our first step. Okay. So remember your, please see your notes, that is 8 point DID50. Please see your notes. So this was the first stage. Then what comes here? W8 raised to 0. Then
W8 raised to 1.
1. W8 raised to 1. 2 and 3. Exactly opposite. See that? Right? This is the third stage in DIT. Here, when you come from here, first this is the output. This is third stage. When you come here, this W8 raised to 0, 1, 2 and 3. Right? So here we multiply by 1, 2, 3 and 4. W8 raised to 0, 1, 2, 3. Right? This is stage second. Now, for second stage, we will take third value to the first value, first value to the third value by negating third, and so on. Okay? So first, second, third, taking third value to the first value to the third value by negating third. And then fourth value to the second value to the fourth value by negating fourth. Then 5 to 7, 7 to 5 by negating 7. Finally 6 to 8, 8 to 6 by negating 8. By negating 8. This is your second stage. Okay. Now what will be the third stage? Yeah. What comes here now?
W8 raised to
0 for third value. W8 raised to 2 for fourth value. Again W8 raised to 0 for seventh value. W8 raised to 2 for eighth value. And then values taking
1 to 7.
second to first, first to second by negating second, 4 to 3, 3 to 4 by negating 4, and so on. Okay. Now we multiply 1, 2, 3. Third value W8 raised to 0, W8 raised to 2. Some last two values 0, 2. Okay. Then we'll start taking second value to the first value to the second value by negating second. Then fourth value to the third value to the fourth value by negating fourth. Okay. Similarly, taking sixth value to the fifth value and 5 to 6 by negating 6, and then eighth value to the seventh value to the eighth value by negating 8. Okay. By negating 8. Now here you will get the output, that is x of k. Okay. Now what is the series? Girish, you know the series? First one, x of n, x of 0,
X of 0, X of 4,
x of 4,
X of 2,
x of 2,
X of 6,
6,
1,
1,
5,
5,
3,
3,
7.
7. Okay. Here input are in order, output are off order. Okay. Once we revise. So first stage, okay, we'll take fifth value to the first value to the fifth value by negating fifth, and 6 to second, second to 6 by negating 6, and so on. Now the outputs of the first stage will become inputs for the second stage. Before starting the second stage, we'll multiply the last four values by W8 raised to 0, W8 raised to 1, W8 raised to 2, and W8 raised to 3. Now for the second stage, we'll take third value to the first value to the third value by negating third, fourth value to the second to 4 by negating 4, and so on. Now the outputs of second stage will become inputs for third stage. Before starting the third stage, we need to multiply third value, fourth value, seventh value, eighth value by W8 to 0 and W8 is to 2. And then taking second to first, first to second by negating second, 4 to 3, 3 to 4 by negating 4, and so on. Here the outputs you will get will be discrete Fourier transform, or you can say Fourier transform. Okay. This completes the construction procedure for 8-point DIF FFT. Okay. Right.